Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply use Bank of America's digital wallet. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that matter, simply go ahead first, open up your Bank of America app. Now enter user ID over there and your password, and now tap on login. Once you have logged in, this kind of interface is gonna pop up at the home screen. All you gotta do is tap on this menu icon on top left corner. Now go ahead from among the menu options, choose this option of manage debit/credit card. And then you will get this section. You can see manage cards on top, and now you can find your card that you use. And in the bottom section you will have option of digital wallets. Now go ahead, tap on it, and now tap on this option of add beside this Apple Pay or PayPal. Those two options are available. You can choose either, so let's go ahead with Apple Pay for now. Now you simply have to provide 4 digits of your card, the card expiration date, card security code. Once you provide all the information correctly, tap on this verify option in the bottom right. And now simply tap on this use as default card. Then you will go back and tap on this got it on Apple Pay added. You can also choose to individually manage it, because simply going to the Apple Pay as well and make that card as the primary payment option. That is how you can use Bank of America on your digital wallet, and you're good to go. This is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.